What's going on, guys? Ace Approved is back with another video. I know it's been a while, guys. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and right now I'm gonna go over all the things I have done to my beautiful CLK 500 just to show you guys what is possible. First, I kind of want to get over the minor stuff that I've done. One of the things that I have done is, for example, and this is also like modifications and stuff that I've done to the car. One of the things is that, like, I added Bluetooth to the car, so now I can connect my music, no problem. I also added this vinyl wood trim, and I wrapped it in this. It used to be brown all around the car, because I feel that this goes better with the look. It makes it a little more modern, and it's different. You don't see CLKs with this like black trim and then, you know, the tan leather. Another thing that I have done is, obviously, you know, I got new tires. Normally in the rear they're 245s. I ended up doing 255s, and I did use a cheaper option. I did Westlake's. I have no problem with the traction. I've been to Mexico plenty of times using it. I've never had a problem with Westlake's, and I've never had a problem with Lionheart, which is what I got up front. Another thing that I did is that I got the headlights redone, and I have a film over them so that they last. So that is also nice. You guys already know, different grill, already know that. Another thing that I've done that you guys already know is that I got the wheels powder coated black. That this is not the original AMG color wheels. They're usually called, I think it's called Hyper Silver, but I wanted to do black because, I mean, look, come on, obviously. So then, now we kind of get to three of the favorite mods that I've done to this car, and there's another mod that I would like to do for this car, which I'll go over towards the end of this video. But one of them that I've done is, as you can see, and I made a video on it, AMG-Style steering wheel. Like, look at this, guys. Like, this changes the game of how it feels. Changes the interior, makes it look more modern. It's a nice steering wheel. It's thick, it's grippy, it's girthy, it's tight, it's big, it's everything that you want. It feels amazing. It's great quality. I mean, this was a must. This steering wheel was a must. Like, you guys just don't understand. This changes the game so much. I got it from CKM Car Design. It did take a while. I'm not gonna lie with you guys. It took a while. It took a while. There was a lot of I'll say miscommunication for the most part, but Chris over there, he helped me out. He hooked me up. We finally got it done. The steering wheel matches my airbag, so I didn't need to get a new airbag. So that was very nice. And man, this guys, I'm telling you, when I get in this, I'm like, man, this changes the interior and the drive so much. But speaking of changing the drive, you know, we got to talk about the exhaust. The exhaust was obviously modified, of course. That's what every CLK owner should do. You modify the exhaust. So what I did was that I removed the secondary cats. I removed, you can either call it the mid muffler or the resonator, and I put on a smaller muffler. Now, the smaller muffler, a lot of people actually, believe it or not, ask me about this muffler, and believe it or not, I ordered that muffler off of, I wanted to go to the exhaust shop. I said, well, maybe y'all can just straight pipe it if this exhaust don't sound good. Well, it sounded amazing. And the last thing that I'm gonna go over, what I did to the car, was the ECU tune. It gave me roughly about 20 to 25 horsepower, some torque. It moves. It moves. It helps. I noticed it. I noticed it immediately. The throttle response is different. It cracks and popples. I know I played many clips of that. That never gets old. I mean, as you see, guys, like it's beautiful. Like, and that ECU tune, it's like, man, it feels like it just got more power. Like, I'm not dramatic, but you know, it just got that little like extra oomph. You know what I mean? Like, it makes it feel like more responsive. And I know there's other things I can do, like a TCU tune, a pedal commander or something along those lines, like a roar pedal, which I plan on getting all, you know, down the line. But it's like, guys, like, can we just look at this shot right here. You can't tell me that's a badass shot. Like, that is sexy, man. That is a beautiful car. So beautiful. But I do want to also talk about a mod that I want to do in the future. There are two big things I want to do for this car. One, I want to get headers. And two, I want to supercharge it. I want to show the process of supercharging this through a company that is up in Germany, and that I want to get it. I want to do this. I want to be the person to supercharge the CLK, and I want to actually go over it with you guys. A lot of people on YouTube don't go over how to supercharge it, which I feel is bullshit. You know, like, you want to supercharge, everybody wants more power, so you should show how to get it, you know? But I want to supercharge this. I want to supercharge this classic beauty right here and make it faster. And the M113 naturally aspirated engine in this can handle the power. I think it can handle power up to, I think, 450 to 500 horsepower. The supercharger is probably not gonna push it that high, but it could probably, with everything that I have and then with the headers, definitely over 400. And this is a light chassis. I mean, compared to like other Mercedes, I was kind of looking at other ones, but no, I'm gonna stay loyal to this. I feel like I'm the only one that's staying loyal to the CLK 500 in the YouTube space. Like, I feel like a lot of people have switched up on it or just left it for dead. And like, just look at it. It's reliable. Like, I mean, you guys, you have to get one. But I want to show you guys the modding potential. But like I said, those are the two next things I really want to do to the car. I want to get headers, which is going to be expensive, but cheaper than doing the supercharger. But I will supercharge this. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. Those are my two main goals for this car. But guys, let me know what you guys would do to your CLK 500, or what have you guys already done to your CLK 500. Please let me know in the comment sections. Please like and subscribe, and more content, I promise, will continue. Peace.